Isishayamthetho saseNorthwest siphenya isigameko lapho onogada baso bashaya amalungu eEFF ngoLwesihlanu ngesikhathi uNdunankulu uSolwazi uJob Mokgoro ethula inkulumo ebhekise ebantwini besifundazwe.
Kwasuka esinamathambo esishayamthetho sesifundazwe ngoLwesihlanu ngesikhathi amaqembu aphikisayo ephikisana nobuqotho bukaMokgoro bokwethula inkulumo yesifundazwe. Kepha usomlomo uSusana Dantshi waphelelwa isineke wanquma ukuthi kukhishwe bonke ababephikisana noNdunankulu. Onogada besishayamthetho babe sebevulela ngesibhaxu emalungwini eEFF ngaphandle. Lesi senzo sigxeke usomlomo waphinde wanquma ukuthi siphenywe.
We are studying all the material at our disposal. We will interview those who have direct relation to the event. We are already also talking to the political parties to give their version on the matter.
iDA yona ifuna ukuthi nayo usomlomo wesishayamthetho aphenywe. Imbeka icala lokukhipha umyalelo wokuthi akuxoshwe amalungu eEFF.
We believe that she must take that investigation further by ensuring that she brings in an independent body that is going to conduct that investigation. And also, she must subject herself as well to that investigation, because we believe as the DA, she is but part of what happened. She is the cause of what happened in that house.
Omunye umhlaziyi wezombusazwe ukholwa ukuthi lesigameko sikhombisa ukuthi akukho ukubambisana emphakathini.
This is telling us that there's a lot of internal conflict, lack of social cohesion in society at large, and that's not only racial, ethnic or class. It has to do with the components of society at large.
iEFF kulesasifundazwe ifuna kumiswe bonke onogada abathintekayo kulesigameko sokushaywa kwamalungu ayo.